Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Rest Assured series. In this video, you are going to see validation, both response body validation and header validation. Okay, let me create a class. Okay, I'll create a class validation, or I'll add response validation. Okay, so I click the finish button. Okay, let me create a class. Let me create a method public. Okay, void get method. Okay, then I'll initialize the right base URI rest assured dot base rest assured 1 minute. URI. Okay, equal to, let me copy the endpoint. Okay, base URI. Okay, let me copy the endpoint from the previous code. Okay, I'll go copy this right base URI. Okay, I'll again come to validation. I'll paste here. Okay, I'll put a semicolon, then I'll give rest assured dot, I'll go for chaining given. Okay, and dot, I'll give content type. Okay, application slash JSON. Okay, 1 minute, applications slash JSON. Then I'll put dot, I'll add when. Okay, then I'll put method get. Okay, get, I'll put this one, the resource, right? So I need to put the resource. Okay, I'll copy the resource. Okay, I'll paste here. Okay, 1 minute, I'll copy it properly. Okay, then what I'll do is, right, I'll give dot. Okay, then I'll go for the validation. Then, okay, first what we can do is, right, first we should log it, right? I forgot to log it before. 1 minute, log dot all. Okay, then what I'll do is, here also response also I log it dot all. Okay, then what I'll do the, right, I'll first do the validation of status code 200. This is one validation, checking the status code we all did last time, right? Let me run it. Okay, application slash JSON, right? Let me check it. Okay, application slash JSON, let me run it. This is one kind of a validation, right? Status code validation. Let me add a test here. Okay, let me run it. So this is going to validate the status code. Okay, is 200 or not, right? So this is one validation. Okay, get request. Okay, it validated, right? Status code, it validated, passed. Okay, let me take any one ID here. Let me add query param as we did last time. Okay, so I'll give dot query param. Okay, double quotes id. Okay, and the value I'll add so that it filters only that particular id. Okay, okay. So now what we'll do is, right, we'll add body here. So next one is response body. Okay, so we'll check this title and project manager. Okay, for that what we'll do is, right, body. Okay, title, we can add multiple body also. Okay, project manager. Okay, we can add multiple body also. Okay, for example, dot body. Okay, next one is, right, author Joshi, author comma Joshi. Okay, now we'll give semicolon. So we need to add one, right, assertion here. Okay, so ham crest assertion we should add it. Okay, so for that what we need to do is, right, I'll go here, I'll add the static ham crest matcher, right, import. You should add it, right. So if you add it, then the import will work. Okay, so make sure you are adding the ham crest matcher assertion here. Okay, so what I did is, right, I made a mistake. Okay, equal to. Okay, so title is equal to project manager. Same thing. Okay, author is equal to Joshi. Okay, so if I run it, it should work. Okay, now I'll run it. Okay, so what happens? The response title does not match it. Okay, so the manager expected is actual, and assertions, one assertions failed. Okay, 1 minute. So why this happens is, right, it is the array of list. For that what we need to do is, right, should give an index here. Okay, so if I give an index, since it's have multiple matches, it's throwing an error. Okay, if I give an index, right, let's see what happens. So since there are multiple Joshis, right, so that's why, that's all. Now it's fine. Okay, so this is how we can do the response validation. Okay, for the body and the status code. Okay, and we also add an header. Okay, header. Okay, okay, we can add the header also here. Okay, how to do it, right? Content type application JSON. Okay, we'll copy this one, we'll paste it. Content type. Okay, next we'll give application JSON. We can validate the header also here. Okay, now I'll run the code. Okay, content type, right? It's header application JSON, right? So I'll give this one application JSON. This one might be the full one. Okay, let me run now. One minute, let me change to this one. Content type, application JSON, and this one. Okay, now it passed, right? So now this is how we can validate. I did three things here. One, I validate the status code. Next, I validate the body. Okay, with a title. I gave an index since it's having multiple right titles as project manager. So I gave an index so that it filters. Next one is author. Also, I gave an index, so it takes the first one, Joshi. Then we can also validate the response header. Also, I gave content type, application JSON, char set. I gave. So it's this is how we can validate the response with the help of the rest assured. Okay. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching the video. Right, meet you soon the next smart half video. Have a nice day.